Good morning.
Hello.
It is 7 o'clock in the morning and I am not usually up this early.
Nope.
But we have a special reason.
We are on a road trip to the east coast of Florida.
Yep.
And we're going to look at a micro skiff. Small little boat.
It's called a Gheenoe.
Gheenoe. Half canoe, half boat.
Yes.
And yeah, so we found a Custom Gheenoe at the manufacturer, Custom Gheenoe.
Yep.
And it's
a used one. Yep.
But it will be new to us, and it's going to allow us to go all sorts of cool places and do more stuff than we've been able to do.
So maybe some island camping and get, we love our paddle boards.
Yep.
Love our paddle boards. But sometimes we just need to get a little further out, a little faster, a little further. So
we're going to look at it.
Hopefully we're going to be boat owners.
Cross your fingers, just a little nervous.
Yeah. See ya.
See ya. Now it smells fresh. Hey guys, we just finished the sea trial with the Gheenoe, and it was awesome. It was fast and it was fun. So we're buying a boat. So they're doing some modifications, making it tweaking it for us a little bit. It's gonna take a few hours, so while they're doing that, we're going to that place. West
Go
Marine.
some shopping.
So, UPS truck. So rude starting his truck while we're making a video. Anyway, so we're going to West Marine. We're buying some safety equipment, buying some accessories.
All the things we need to take it on out.
It'll be a lot of fun.
Yay!
See ya. Hey guys, so it has been a long day. We left the house this morning about
7
o'clock. Yep, heading over to the East Coast, as we said, to go look at a Gheenoe, and it's in our garage, and we are in it. So, welcome to our new toy for some more glorious day adventures. We're really excited about it. It's super cool, but also really simple. Which is what we want. We wanted something that would really give us the ability to expand kind of our circle of adventure.
Yep.
But not control us and own us. It's simple to take care of. So.
And it fits right into the garage, as you can see. We have our camper on one side.
Mo's right there.
And the boat here. Now we had to move cars out, so now we have no cars in the garage. But the sacrifices you make, the fast sacrifices he made.
Yep. So to give you an idea of what we're sitting in, it is a Gheenoe, and it's pronounced Gheenoe. It's 16 feet long.
It's an LT25.
Yes, LT25, which stands for low tide, and 25 because you can put up to a 25 horsepower motor on it, which is what we have.
Yep.
So it's kind of like a canoe meets a really small flats boat. So 16 feet long, and we have a 55-pound thrust trolling motor on the front, which is kind of where you're looking from right now. And it's remote controlled, so we can steer, go left, right, fast, slow down, off remote control. And then we have a big open area where we can put all sorts of gear if we're going to go maybe primitive camping on one of the barrier islands around here. Lots of room for gear, for wood, things of that nature. Big open area. If we bring the dog on the Gheenoe, lots of room for the dog to run around.
We're not sure if she's going to like it, but we're going to buy her a life jacket and see how she does.
We're going to try. So, and then one of the mods we had them insert a pedestal base. So we actually could put a pedestal kind of seat towards the bow that can spin, so you can sit up there and fish if you want. That may be Amy's perch.
Maybe, baby.
Maybe. And then we have this center console, which is really cool. It's an aluminum center console, custom made by Gheenoe. And it's aluminum base, fiberglass top. All your controls are up here for your engine.
I have a nice Yeti cooler right here that I can sit on with the back.
Yep.
That's going to be my ride sit.
So a little light.
Okay. Anyway.
I'm easy to please apparently.
Yes, let's keep going.
So, center console, all of our controls. And then in back, you can't see it really well, but there's a 2-level pulling platform, which is really cool. The first level is actually a seat. So you can sit up here and you can drive the boat, you can hang out. The air's coming out of the cushion. I promise. I promise that's the cushion. It's definitely not me. So nice padded seat with a padded backrest, and up here is top pulling platform where you can sit up there and pull. Down below is a 6-gallon gas tank, and based on the size engine we have, the average miles per gallon is 11 miles. So without having to refill, we can do a 66-mile round trip. Obviously, it would be stupid to try that, but
right at, I want to go 65 and a half.
we use a trolling motor
for 20 of that.
Right. And there's a push-pull over here, so if you're on the platform, you can push. And again, a 4-cycle, 25 horsepower outboard on the back, really quiet, really strong. Top speeds on a nice flat surface is about 30 miles an hour, so it gets up and goes.
We got pretty fast on the sea trial today.
Yeah, it was fun. So all in all, it's just a craft that we think will really allow us to get out and kind of, again, expand the area about which we can explore.
Have more glorious adventures.
Yep, fishing, hanging out. We can't wait for this winter to go explore some islands, do some hammock camping or some primitive camping out on the Barrier Islands here in Florida. Been wanting to do it for a long time, but it's kind of tough on paddle boards just because of the gear it takes and getting out there and stuff. So
tomorrow we're gonna wax it and make it all
wax
pretty.
on, wax off.
And then hope to bring her out on Sunday, so we'll bring you along.
Yes, that's the plan. So
all right.
Keep watching, and the next clip you see is probably Amy out in the sun tomorrow waxing.
Oh, no.
I think so.
All right.
Actually, I got a buffer.
No, you don't.
I do.
You do?
I do. I've got a buffer.
He does have a buffer.
Yes, I do.
See?
So
what's in this garage of ours?
Yeah.
Who knows?
So, anyway, it's been a long day, but really, I wouldn't say rewarding, but just exciting.
Exciting, yeah.
Yeah, very excited. So, and by the way, this thing pulls like a dream. You don't even know what's in the back of the vehicle. The total weight is like, what, 250 for the boat?
Yeah, about that.
Yeah, for the Gheenoe. And about 100 pounds for the engine, plus other stuff. So, we're far less than 500 pounds for the whole thing. So really easy to pull, can pull it with pretty much anything. So really excited, and keep watching and see us out in the sun sweating tomorrow. Waxing.
All right, so Joel's been working out here all day.
All day.
Waxing, lots of wax, lots of,
Just
what's the black stuff? That
black trim stuff?
Yes. And
name
it looks like a brand new boat, but we forgot to take video.
We were so excited to work on it that we forgot to start recording.
I don't know about that. I did do some, by the way, but
bit.
Joel did most of it.
A little bit, yeah. It was just all sorts of little blemishes and stains and this and that, and so I worked all day. We got
Like
the
6
oxygen.
hours on here out here doing this.
Yeah, rubbing compound on the hull and then wax, and no more than 6. I started to like
11.
was it
Yeah.
11? No.
Yeah.
All right, maybe. So yeah, like 6 hours. But
So
it looks great. I'm really excited about it.
it's looks awesome.
So
So getting ready to take it out tomorrow. First
just like
try.
maiden journey for us.
Yeah, for us. And it is going off the car for the maiden voyage. Woohoo!
Hey guys, we are on the water. It is beautiful out here.
It's
It's flat.
flat and gorgeous day.
Beautiful.
We already saw a dolphin,
We did.
except he kept moving, so I didn't get him on
The
video.
dolphin wouldn't hold still. It's
So
funny.
it's gonna be a good day, I think.
So too.
Look at that, a little shark.
Little bonnethead shark.
Little bonnethead shark. You could barely see the. He was a little baby.
He was chasing a little something on top of the water.
That was pretty cool.
It was cool.
Oh, I think I missed him.
You scared the dolphin away, Amy. There's a dolphin there. Where'd they go? What are you doing? Here you go.
All right, we pulled off to a little island. Not an island. What is this? Little beach. Got to get some pictures of the Gheenoe. We still have to name it. Not sure what we're going to name it yet. Now we shut off the engine and Joel's playing around with the trolling motor. Moving us around.
Trying to learn how to use it.
It's got a little
key fob
that he puts around his neck, which is funny.
Kind of cool.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I'm opening up my garage door or if I'm using the trolling motor.
Throwing a line out. Exactly what you wanted the boat for, Joel.
I wanted the boat to be with you, Amy. Let's be honest.
Yes. All right, we stopped at a sandbar. Couple, what, 6 inches deep? 10 inches deep, maybe?
Yeah, something like that. I'm going to take my remote control out. All right, Amy is hanging out in the water.
So nice. I think the water's, it's like bath water.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And got the Gheenoe behind her. It's going to hit her in the back here.
I know, it keeps following me.
It loves you, Amy.
I love it too.
It loves you like ticks love me. So, there you go. Yeah, it's beautiful out here. We're really Upper Tampa Bay Park. We're coming here on our paddleboards all the time. So, first time in the Gheenoe, and it's awesome. Loving it. Okay, I just found the smallest horseshoe crab in history. Look how cute he is.
Don't move your hand because I'm zoomed in really close.
He's like, put me back in the water. He's so small. And normally horseshoe crabs get to be about the size of a frisbee-ish, maybe a little smaller. So this guy is the runt of the litter.
That's very cool.
Isn't he cool?
So we had an awesome day out on the boat. We are now, Joel is home washing it.
Yay.
I know, he always gets all the work. But yeah, we had a really great time on the first trip out on the boat. And really no issues, a little kind of feeling rushed bringing the boat in, so it was a little off kilter. But we fixed.
So are we, so that's fine.
That's right. So yeah, so we fixed that, and all is good. So hope for many, many, many more adventures on our Gheenoe. And
name yet.
I know we still need a name. We're still working on that. So hope you enjoyed it, and check out Gheenoe or Custom Gheenoe, and please subscribe to our channel and watch us next time. See ya.